everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in. We are in Orlando, and we're on the Stahls stand, and it's lovely to be speaking with Dave Connor.
Absolutely.
Absolute joy. We spent a little bit of time, didn't we, the day before yesterday, I believe, talking about liquid ink, a new innovation from Stahls. So tell us all about that. This is really a game changer.
It truly is.
Yeah.
Premium dimensional on demand in quantities of one, right?
Yeah.
So it takes the challenges that we've seen typical of dimensional decorating and reduces all of those pain points, from the minimum quantities to the proofing delays or setup fees, the mold fees that we commonly see with these, and removes all of it. So you decorate or you design this in real time, so you would take a vector PDF and you're able to control the dimension, even the texture. Oh, great catch there. But like, look at the scales in the background of this image, the gradients, that otherwise the graphic limitations you're not able to accomplish.
I mean, you're talking about really great continuous tone in here at a very, very, very fine scale. I mean, it's super, super, super sharp.
It is.
And tiny.
And tiny, you could get the textures. You could even adjust the scale, so larger or smaller. Here in this Northbridge Supply logo, we even have gradients. So you see the shadow start and then lighten up there along with the texture as well. This could go from essentially 1 millimeter all the way up to 2.5 millimeters, which we see the maximum height here on the Northbridge. And then everything else, the texture is in a 0.75 millimeters, so 3/4 of a millimeter kind of depth in there, where you're able to really truly have this tactile feel and this premium look that's not available in any other method, and as low as one. We know that customers want to order their way. They want to reduce the investment into corporate apparel or even just the designs that they're going to stock on the shelf or have sitting in the merch closet, right? That nobody's ever going to wear. You could order what you need only when you need it, truly empowering decorators, distributors, promotional product distributors, or dealers.
One of the things that we were talking about the day before yesterday as well was also, this is really substantial. I believe it's built in partnership and collaboration with the Stratasys technology, which is what's underpinning it there, which is a whole new innovation, not so new, but an innovation just really that adds so much value. So you're going beyond embroidery to something completely different. And we looked at some of the samples, and it really allows you to create a luxury item. This one's quite soft.
Yes.
But here, depending on how you control the technology, you could create a really durable finish here that can be flexible.
Absolutely.
Or it can be harder. It's just
And it allows it to go on any item where we have more of a structured cap or more of a bag, right? So currently available on hats and bags now through our Stahls Fulfill Engine platform is where the builder lives as well. So you would upload a PDF, you could adjust the scale, and you could adjust the texture, you could adjust the dimension, the colors, add gradients even in there, all in real time, add it to a product to be able to be ordered one.
So is this API as well? So somebody can, third party, this is in their website. And they can, so your uploader is that kind of, the back office is in the website.
It is,
But it's white label. And then off it goes, and it comes back, and the product just goes straight to the customer. But it's allowing you to take, I just looked at your passport. What a great idea. So you have a passport here, and visitors are encouraged to move. This is just so cool. The visitors are encouraged to move around the show with their passport, being stamped, but at every stamp they're adding an embellishment.
Yes.
So it's like a minute wait, so it's exactly what would happen on the shop floor, but it's just a really great concept, I think, that just shows the versatility and the USP that is added by embellishment in a customized, personalized space. So you can start with a printed tote, and you use a different technology to add the embellishment. This is the future of personalization, isn't it?
It truly is, and with the passport, we are able to highlight the ecosystem for our Fulfill Engine software. So doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's not just one piece of technology. It is truly compounding value when you take a Lane 7 blank or Sanmar. We have just integrated Ralawise into Fulfill Engine as well, so that will be coming soon, available publicly, and that's what's going to help this growth into other markets other than just here in the United States. But it's also equipment manufacturers. We have Melco, who is doing essentially a scan-to-print embroidery. No need to manage files, no need to do anything. You could have that level of decorating technology, all driven by the scan-to-print system that Fulfill Engine is kind of built on.
It's fantastic. I mean, it really is empowering the creativity of the industry, isn't it, really?
It is.
And it's just going to be so exciting to watch where this goes. Because there's no, if you just look at the predicted growth of personalization and customization, adding all of these elements in just takes it to a whole new level. But it is global. I mean, I think, merch...
That's the plan,
Yeah. We were talking about this the other day. I think merch started in the US. The US do merch very, very well. But merch is a global opportunity for any printer or garment decorator out there.
And absolutely, whether it just be, company apparel, like we're wearing here now.
Absolutely,
Workwear, or even then when we talk about beyond apparel, and we're talking about full wrap sublimation or laser engraving, or even the merch of like wireless chargers. All of it is available, and the customers are asking for it at the end of the day.
Because those are all the add to cart upsells, aren't they? That are so important in e-commerce. Because once the customers got through there, the shipping is going to be the same, and it's like, oh, have you thought about adding this? And those additional sales are considerable. It's great. It's fantastic. Well, Dave, thank you so much.
Absolutely,
Pleasure to talk with you, and I look forward to watching and exploring this technology.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for tuning in.